Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Galaxy Tab A11 and Motorola Moto Pad 60 Neo. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Next, compare display features. Galaxy Tab A11 comes with 8.7 inches TFT LCD display, and the Motorola Moto Pad 60 Neo comes with 11 inches IPS LCD display. Hardware features. Both two tablets are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include Wi-Fi, GPS, SOD speakers and Bluetooth 5.3. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.